Are you trying to find a better way to run your school? A way to make everything more efficient, more connected, and just smarter? Well, today we're going to show you exactly how you can do that with LearnCore from Infotigo IT. Let's dive in. So, does this picture look a little familiar? You know, you've got multiple software platforms that don't talk to each other, data's stuck in different places, and you've got parents, teachers, and staff all kind of working from different playbooks. It's a really common challenge, and it just creates friction where you should have a smooth flow.
But what if there was a single, elegant solution to all that chaos? Imagine a central nervous system for your entire school that brings everything and everyone together. That's exactly what we've built with LearnCore.
So here's a quick look at what we'll cover. We'll see how LearnCore is one platform for everybody, how it streamlines all your operations, empowers your teachers and students, connects your whole community, and in the end, becomes your true partner in success.
Okay, let's start with the big idea. LearnCore isn't just another piece of software. You got to think of it as a unified digital ecosystem, designed from the ground up for your entire school.
This visual here really says it all. Right in the middle, you've got the main dashboard. That's your single source of truth. And from there, information just flows seamlessly to every single person, from the super admin and teachers all the way to parents and students. Everybody gets exactly what they need right when they need it. No more confusion, no more delays.
And this is not a one-size-fits-all kind of deal. Nope. LearnCore actually has 8 distinct custom-built experiences. So the interface a teacher uses is perfectly tailored for their job, and it's completely different from what an accountant or a librarian needs. It's that level of customization that makes the whole system feel so intuitive and honestly so powerful.
So how does this unified approach actually work in the day-to-day? Let's kick things off with the first pillar, streamlining your school's operations. This is the administrative backbone that just makes sure everything runs like clockwork. And it all starts with admissions. You can forget about chasing paperwork. Our modern admission form captures over 40 different records for every single student. We're talking everything from previous school details to sibling info, creating a complete digital profile from day one.
Now, managing finances, that can be a huge headache, right? Well, our fees collection module is designed to make that headache go away. You can automate invoices, track payments in real time, handle discounts, and pull up detailed financial reports with just a few clicks. It gives you total control over your school's money.
Your staff, they're your most important asset. That's why our complete HR module brings together payroll, earnings, attendance, and leave management into one simple system. And that frees up your administrative team to focus on bigger, more strategic things.
And that same efficiency, it carries right over to your front office. Our built-in lead management tool helps your team handle all those student inquiries, follow-ups, and visitor logs, making sure every prospective family has a really professional and organized experience.
Okay, so we've covered operations. Now let's shift gears and talk about the heart of your institution, the academic engine. This is where LearnCore directly helps with the actual teaching and learning.
We start by making the daily grind simpler. Just think about the time teachers can save with one-click attendance. It sounds like a small thing, but it has a massive impact on a teacher's day, every single day.
When it comes to exams, we thought of everything, from start to finish. The examination module handles the whole process, creating the schedule, entering marks, calculating grades, and then generating these beautiful, easy-to-read progress reports. It's a complete system, and it's incredibly flexible.
And that whole cycle of teaching and learning is fully supported. Teachers can create and assign homework for each subject, and then they can evaluate it right there in the platform. This creates a really clear, trackable record of student progress that's there for teachers, students, and parents to see.
We also help centralize your school's knowledge hub. Our library management system lets you manage your entire book collection, add members, and keep track of every book that's checked out or returned. It's a complete system for your most valuable learning tools.
So, we've covered operations and academics. The final, crucial piece of this puzzle is connecting your entire community. LearnCore really becomes a central communication hub for your school.
We think it's so important to empower parents. This dedicated parent monitoring panel gives them a secure, real-time window into their child's life at school. They can see attendance, check on homework, look at grades, and even pay fees online. This really helps build a true partnership between the school and home.
And what this does is it just closes all those frustrating communication gaps.
The internal notice board and messaging system makes sure that important announcements and private messages get to the right people instantly. Whether it's an admin sending a quick note to a teacher or a big announcement to all parents, it's fast, it's reliable, and it's all in one place.
You know, all of these features are amazing, but they're all built on a foundation you can absolutely trust. We don't just see ourselves as a software company, but as your long-term partner in success.
And that means two really important things. First, this is an enterprise-grade system. It's built by professionals to give you top-notch performance, security, and reliability. Second, every single feature is designed to get results. We built LearnCore to save you time, cut down on administrative work, and deliver a real, measurable return on your investment.
So, to bring it all together, why choose LearnCore? Well, because it's so much more than just software. It's a single, unified platform that brings incredible efficiency, creates a truly connected community, and is backed by top-rated support. It's a secure, reliable, and future-proof investment for your school's success.
So the real question now is, are you ready to stop juggling all those different systems and start building a smarter, more efficient, and more connected future for your school, your staff, and most importantly, your students?
LearnCore is the tool that will get you there. Thank you so much for your time. We would love to show you more, so please contact us for a personalized demo to see exactly how LearnCore can be tailored to fit the unique needs of your school.